AI has absolutely exploded in financial services over the last 18 months, and it's only going to get faster and bigger. But with hundreds of tools out there shouting for attention, the real question brokers ask me all the time is really, really simple. What is the single best AI tool for mortgage brokers right now as of, say, 2025/2026? And to be honest, this is my honest answer. There's so many out there, but it really depends on what part of the business you want to improve. But one category stands out above the rest for everything else right now, which is AI-powered admin and onboarding systems. Now, there are some phenomenal mentions out there. Mortgage X is one, Jamjar is really good as well. And with that category, there is a clear leader for me, though, for UK mortgage brokers right now, for very simplicity and for the average advisor, whether in a network or DA. And that's what I'm going to break down in this video, okay? So this is the real problem that AI needs to solve for mortgage brokers. You see, most mortgage brokers don't have lead problems. They have a capacity problem. You see, you generate more demand with content, branding, and consistency, but you can only process a certain number of cases before you're going to hit that ceiling. And that ceiling isn't caused by advice. It is caused by the following things. It's caused by document chasing. It's caused by manually checking pay slips and bank statements. It's caused by endless onboarding back and forth, compliance admin, email paperwork loops, file notes, suitability prep, and repetitive tasks. And this is where AI will have, in my opinion, the biggest impact over time. Now, if a tool removes hours of admin and it gives you loads of other things, is it worth considering? Because there's some tools that are going to give you more time, which will give you time to work with clients, going to give you more capacity. So again, you can take on more clients, which is going to equal more money, which is obviously the way we want to go. It's going to give you more mental headspace. And ironically, it's obviously going to end up in better advice because you're going to be able to actually do that. So the best AI tool isn't the one that writes your social media posts, it's the one that's going to give you your life back. So what is the best AI tool for every mortgage broker right now? There are many honorable mentions. In fact, there are companies like Mortgage X and Jamjar, which are incredibly high tech, real cutting edge in this stuff. And they are really, to be honest with you, shaping the future. But they're not for every single mortgage advisor. They're for people who want to be the cutting edge. So this one that I'm going to talk about now is one that I think every mortgage broker could benefit using. And that one is Keychain. You see, Keychain is currently the most practical, impactful AI tool on the market for mortgage brokers in the UK, in my opinion. It doesn't pretend to give advice. It's not trying to give advice. It doesn't replace you. It simply just removes the chaos from the onboarding part of the process, okay? It's the part of the job most at risk of automation anyway, so it's a no-brainer. You see, let's talk about why I think Keychain stands out. It has AI document checking, so income, ID, bank statements, pay slips. It has automated compliance flags, so anything you need to be looking at from those. Smart onboarding portals for clients, so that's going to be like fact finds and medical questionnaires, things like that. What that does is that allows you to have fewer emails, fewer chases, fewer mistakes, because it actually chases the client for you. It's going to massively reduce stress. It's going to massively reduce the case time per client, and it's affordable for everybody to use, not just individual firms. Like I said, if you've got a big budget and you want to grow and be the cutting edge of AI, there are ridiculously good ones. Again, Mortgage X being probably the biggest one to mention. Now, it handles everything, though, that you shouldn't be doing manually anymore. That's what's great about Keychain. Now, if you're a one-person operation, Keychain becomes your digital admin. If you're a small team, it increases everybody's speed consistently. And if you're scaling, it prevents your admin costs from exploding. That's the number one tool I'd say that every broker should be looking at potentially considering in their business going forward. But how are you going to generate leads through AI? How does that work? Well, check out that breakdown in this video on screen right now.